Today we will see circle. That's the next chapter after the straight line. You remember the circle is also, if in the last chapter beginning we saw locus. Locus is the set of points, the trajectory of a point which follow a certain geometric condition. Okay, and when we got the equation of straight line also. Okay, where it's ax plus bi plus c equal to 0. Linear equation. Any linear equation, if the geometric condition is a linear equation, then we got a straight line. Suppose if I say the geometric condition is a fixed distance from a point. Okay, so when I say this is a point and this is a one point, so this point, the locus of the point should be fixed distance. That means this r should be always constant. So then what happened? What you are going to get? We will get a circle, right? Then only circle radius will be constant. So this is an and we also derived the equation of a circle, if you remember in this class. Okay, so anyway, we will do it again. So, so that is a circle. The same way last chapter we solved the equation of a straight line and got all the properties of the straight line, different form of equation of straight line in different forms. Okay, in the double intercept form, all those form we got. So we will see it for the circle also. First thing is, let us try to form a equation of a circle in a more general form. So what we are going to do is, we are having a coordinate axis. Okay, so this is the origin. So what will be the origin? 0, 0. I am asking, let us take a point which is at a distance, say r. And so then I want to know what is the circle, what is the equation of the circle. So if this r is fixed, what we are going to get? We will get a circle. Am I right? So that circle will be something like this. Correct? So now we want to know what is the equation of this circle. Like earlier we got what is the equation of the straight line. Now the question is, we got to find the equation of this circle. So how we are going to do? Let us take, as usual, let us take this point. Let this point be some x comma y. X comma y can be any point on the circle. Don't bother. Let us take x comma y. So what is given? The distance between these 2 points should be constant. That's what the whole condition is. So let us, we know the formula, na? What is the formula for the equation between 2 points? D is equal to, for 2 points. Say for example, the points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is the distance between these 2 points? D square equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, so same this thing for here. What will be the one? Tell me. So here the distance is what? Radius, correct? Radius square is equal to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So this will be what? X square plus y square equal to r square. So this is the equation of the circle when the center is at the origin. Okay. So but this is not necessary. I can give you a point. So let us give me the point here. Typical form is h comma k. And I am asking you, draw a circle with this as a center and the radius r. Okay, then how will you do? The same thing. So what it will be? Again the distance. So let us take this point as x comma y. So this distance has to be r. Let this x comma y be any point on the circle, doesn't matter. But only thing center is h comma c. So then what happened? R square equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, isn't it? So this is the equation of the circle when the center is not the origin. Okay, and we can also have other form of equation of circles also, because if you remember, there are many things we know. There is, if I give you a circle have a diameter, chord, lot many things are there. If I ask you, okay, I am giving you the extreme points of a diameter, and if I ask you, what can you draw the equation of the, can you write down the equation of the circle? Let me say it like this. For example, okay, I am going to give you this one. So I am not going to give you none of these points. Okay. So no center, nothing is given. What I am going to give you is one point A, another point B. So this is the 2 points I given. So let us call this point as let us call this as x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. Okay, you can still, if I say, if I can construct a center, you can find out draw a circle, right? If the diameter, you can always rotate the diameter in different angle and you can get the circle. Now you, pardon?
You can also use the point formula. The ratio between the origin and the 2 points will be 1:1.
That way also you can do. Okay, and then you can get the center point and then you use it here, you will get that formula. Okay, other way, okay, that way also you will do it. We can find it out. Okay, we will find it since season, we will do that way also. Okay, the other ways also you can do. What they do is, if I join any part of the circle with this, can you tell me what will be the angle? Perpendicular, not perpendicular bisector. It is 90 degree because this angle is 180. Okay, this will be half of it. So this will be 90 degree. So now you know I am going to call this as your x comma y. Okay, x comma y, and then what happened? So the slope, and I'll call this as c. Slope of AC will be perpendicular to this line. AC is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, the product of the slope should be -1. You can do that way also. Okay, so let us try to find out first which way you want to find out first. The center formula? Okay, let us go with the center formula. What is that? Tell me. So let me call it as O. Okay, so what is O? Tell me. O will be x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. And not just that, we need a radius also, right? The radius formula. Yeah, we have to find out AO. So tell me what is AO? Half of this distance, not AO, half of AB, na? So what is AB? Radius is equal to R square, let me write, AB square by 4. Am I right? Correct. So what is AB square by 4? Tell me. x1 plus or minus? x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square divided by 4. We have 4 by 4. Okay. So now you know this one. So now substitute in this formula. So r square equal to x minus h square plus y minus k square. Do it, you'll get it formula. What is that you are having? Tell me.
R square equals to
x1 minus x2 whole square by 4 plus y1 minus y2 whole square by 4 equal to x minus h, this is the center, x minus x1 plus x2 by 2 whole square plus y minus y1 plus y2 by 2 whole square. Okay, so you can do further. So this itself you got the equation. Okay, so what is the form if you wanted to write the proper form? So yeah, then we can do some cancellations here and there. Okay, so let us
we can take out 1 by 2.
yeah, if I take 1 by 2, it will become 4. So the all 4s will get cancelled off. Let us expand this. Okay, why are you going to take? I will take 1 by 4 commonly outside, and if I take 2 commonly outside, square. So it will become 1 by 4 outside, correct? Here also 1 by 4. All this 1 by 4 will get cancelled, correct? So what will become? So I can write this as by 2x, correct? It's like 2y by 2. So now this 2 is 2 square, so 4. All this gets cancelled off. So what you will get? So x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, and this 2 will goes off. But remember, this is minus common. So this also will become minus. Am I right? You can do it in a book. So what this will be? This also will be minus. Correct? So you can read to the book and see. This is what we will do. And now we will expand. You know the formula. What this will be? X1 square plus X2 square minus 2x1 x2. This is y1 square plus y2 square plus 2 minus minus 2y1 y2. And here this will be 4x square plus x1 square plus x2 square. What is the formula? A plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Correct? So we are using the same formula here. Okay, 4x square plus x1 square plus x2 square, then this one, right? 2 plus, no, this is minus, na? Minus 2. 2 to the 4x x1, and this one is minus 4x x2, and this is plus 2 x1 x2. Correct? And then plus this value, this number. Correct? Plus what is this? The same way it comes. 4y square plus y1 square plus y2 square minus 4y y1 minus 4y y2 plus 2y1 y2. Now you can see what are things gets cancel. X1 square, x1 square, x2 square, x2 square, y1 square, y1 square, y2 square, y2 square. So what is left over? Let us take everything on the, let us take these things there, other side. Minus 2 x1 x2. Oh yeah, here also, na? So minus 2 x1 x2 minus 4. Oh, sorry, here. So this makes all 4. Okay, fine. So what we will have, let me write this LH, write RHS first. 4x square minus 4x x1 minus 4x x2. Now if I take x1 x2 that side, it's going to become positive. Minus 2, na? So that adding up with this will come 4x1 x2. Correct? So this will be plus 4x1 x2. The same way this happens, right? 4y square minus 4y1 for this one. Again take this one, this becomes positive. So we'll get what? Plus 4y square minus 4y y1 minus 4y y2 plus 4y1 y2 is equal to 0. Correct? Now all the 4 I can take commonly outside and the 4 goes off. So it becomes what? X square minus x x1 minus x x2 plus x1 x2 plus y square minus y y1 minus y y2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. So now let us factorize it. How are we going to factorize? Tell me.
X and Y
See, this 3, na? This 3 you can factor, you know the factorization, right? You have done in the earlier classes. So if you write this one, if I can write this as x minus x1 into x minus x2. Am I right? Correct? Yeah. X square minus x1 x2. Correct? So similarly this one will be y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle where x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the points on the diameter. Okay, so this is one. Actually, this is the way. Other simpler way is take out this. We know the slope formula. Okay, that also we can do. I will just show you that how we will do that. So this is by taking the center of the circle. Correct? So we will do it without the from the slope of the point. Okay. So what we did is we took the center of the circle and we found out the radius, which is half the diameter and substitute in this equation, we got that equation. So there we have used this equation. Suppose if you say you shouldn't use this equation at all. Okay, so you have to directly find the formula. So then use some property of the circle. Okay, what is the property? So any point above the diameter, when you connect it, this will be 90 degree, correct? So what is the, how will you do? Let us find the slope of this line AC. Where C is a point XY, correct? What is slope of AC? Tell me. If I give you 2 points, what is the slope?
Okay, fine. Y1 minus y.
Y minus y1, yeah, okay, divided by
X minus
x minus x1. Okay, slope of which one? BC. That will be
y2 minus y.
y minus y2. Okay, whatever you can write. X minus x2. Okay, this slope. Product of this slope should be minus 1 because they both are perpendicular to each other, correct? So y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 into y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 should be equal to minus 1. Am I right? So if I take this one there, what we are going to get? Y minus y1 into y minus y2 will be minus x minus x1 into x minus x2, correct? You take this side here, what you are having? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 will be equal to 0, which is easy. This is easy, okay? So you can do it that way also, okay? Cool. So that is the way, if you are given the extreme points of the diameter, that's also we can find out the circle, okay? Let me do some 1-2 problems and then I will move to another general form of the circle. Okay, let us do one problem. Let us do this problem. Find the equation of a circle whose center is, I written 2 times this, whose center is at, this should be at 3 comma minus 4, and the line 3x minus 4y minus 5y cuts a circle at A and B where the length of AB is 6. So what is the problem? They given a circle, correct? So problem is very well defined. So it was, there's a circle is given and the center is, what is the center? 3 comma minus 4. Very good. 3 comma minus 4. And then there is a line, correct? What they say, there's a line. Let us draw, this is the line, for example. And the equation of the straight line is 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. This is a line. And this line cuts the circle at A and B. That means these 2 points, A and B. And they are given length of AB equal to 6. That is, this length is equal to 6. So you have to find the equation of the circle. How will we find? Tell me. Okay, we can use the center formula. Only thing is we need to find out the radius. If you know the radius, then we know the x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So if we find out the radius, then we can always find out what is the equation of the circle. So radius is what? If I join, this is the radius, correct? Okay, this is which triangle? Isosceles triangle. And if I drop a perpendicular from here on this line, will this bisect? Why? They both are similar triangles, na? Congruent triangles, na? Congruent triangles, okay? You take the midpoint. Okay, if this is the midpoint, this side and this side is equal, this side and this side is equal, this side is common. So congruent triangle, so this total angle should be 90 degree, 180 degree. So 90 degree, fine. So now can't you find what is this distance?
Okay.
Can you find the slope of this line?
Okay, now.
Correct? Correct. We can find the slope of this line. Right? Right? And then what happens? So slope of this line, and then we will, how the way we will proceed? Let us see. We will find the slope of this line. And then we can, if I know this point, I can always find the intersection of this point also. Okay? So then you can find out, so this distance is 3 half. So if I find out this point, I can find out this distance also. So then use Pythagoras theorem. This length has been, you got it, right? So we'll go by that. So let me call this as A, B, C, and let center be O. Okay? What we have, angle. Okay, let us see. Okay, line, slope of line AB. Do you know the formula?
3/4 minus A by B.
Correct. So line AB, equation of line AB is what? 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. It will be what? Let us call that as M1. How much? What is the value? Tell me.
3/4.
3 by 4. Sure. Fine. Because minus, this minus becomes plus. So therefore, slope of line, which is a line? OC. OC is perpendicular. So perpendicular equal to minus 1 by M1. That will be minus 4 by 3. So now you know center is 3 comma minus 4. So we can find the equation of the line of the this one, right? So what we have, you know the equation of line. Therefore, equation of line OC will be equal to, tell me what is? Y minus Y1, right? Y1 is the center. Tell me what is that? Y plus 4 equal to slope into, slope is minus 4 by 3 into x minus x1, x minus 3. Correct? So, you want to take the 3 this side? So then it becomes 3y plus 12 equal to minus 4x plus 12. Correct? 12 gets cancelled.
So 4x plus 3y equal
4x plus 3y equal
to 0.
to 0. This is the equation of the line which is passing through it. Now we want to find out the point C. So this line equation we will write 4x plus 3y equal to 0.
That is the intersection of the 2 points.
Yeah. How will you find out this point?
Solve it.
Solve these 2 equations. Correct? So what it will be? Tell me. These 2 equations you have to solve, right? Tell me, so what it will be?
We can multiply the first equation by 4. And
Do it on notebook and tell me. So we have to solve this equation. This is 1. Another equation is 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. We have to solve this equation and tell me what is x equal to what and y equal to how much. What's the answer we got?
minus 4 by 5.
This is
y is minus 4 by 5.
minus 4 by 5.
X is 3 by 5.
3 by 5. Okay. So we got this point. That's what? 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. In fact, you can do it in a much simpler way. I will see that way. We'll do that way also. Okay. In whatever the form, you will get the answer. Don't worry. Okay. So now we want to find out OC. Correct? Let us take OC square because Pythagoras theorem. Na? So I will always use the square of it. So OC square will be equal to what?
3 by 5 minus 3.
3 by 5 minus 3 whole square plus
minus 4 by 5
minus 4 by 5
plus 4.
plus 4 whole square. So tell me what it is?
3 minus 15 by 5 12, minus 12 by 5 whole square.
Minus 12 by 5 whole square. Oh, sorry, minus will be inside, na? So it will be plus. Okay, square, na? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then this one?
And then 16 by 5.
plus 16 by 5 whole square. Or that is equal to how much?
144 by 25.
I can take it 25. 25 common. This will be 144 plus 256. Add up.
That is 400 by 25.
4.
400 by 25.
How much it will be? 5. This is 80. 1. This will be
30. No, not 30. 16.
how much?
16.
6. Okay. So this is how much? OC square equal to 16. Therefore OC equal to 4. Doesn't matter for us. Okay. So therefore, so now you know this is, okay, this is 6. So this will be 4. OC square, now OC equal to 4. So now you know therefore OA square will be equal to OC square plus AC square. Correct? OC square is how much? 16. Plus AC square, half of this, that is 3. 3 square is 9, right? So that will equal to how much? 25. So therefore equation circle we got it.
Radius of circle is 5.
5. Anyway, we have tried. So the equation cycle formula what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. R square is 25. H is what? 3. K is minus 4. So we have x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square equal to 25. That should be the equation of the circle. Okay. So correct. Okay, and okay, so this is the way you can write, but usually you can open up also. When you open up, what happens? So what will have? This will be, tell me, x square
Plus 9.
Okay, we'll write out minus 2a, minus 2, 6x plus 9 plus y square
Minus.
plus, no, this is plus, na? Plus 8y plus 16 equal to 25. Sorry, 25, correct?
25 cancel. 16 plus 9 is 25.
So what we are going to get? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Okay. Actually, in fact, we don't have to do this complex way. But you know, this is a very simple way we can do it. See, what we wanted to find, why you did all this way, you wanted to find out this distance, correct? OC. The last chapter you done a exercise. This is a straight line and this is a point. What is the perpendicular distance of the point from the straight line? Tell me, what is that? Okay. See, we did all this and all. Na? This is not necessary. Na? You are given a line. If I give you a line, what is the line? AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. And if I ask you to what is the distance of this line from a point x1 comma y1. So what is the formula? P equal to mod of AX1 plus
BY1
plus C divided by
A square plus B square.
A square plus B square.
Root of A square plus B square.
Correct? Do it. So, and in our case, this is your OC, right? So, what is our line? They given already the line here. A equal to 3, B equal to minus 4, C equal to minus 5, x1 equal to 3 and y1 equal to minus 4. Therefore, P, which is OC, OC is equal to
9
tell me AX1 is 9
plus
BY1 na?
16
Plus 16
minus 5
minus 5 divided by
root of 9 plus 14.
16.
16.
So what is this will be?
20 divided by 5.
20.
That is 4.
Okay. How much? The mod, right? We will not take positive. Is that answer 4? Okay, you don't have to really do so much. So once you got the 4, and that's it. You don't need all these things. Correct? You get 4, straight away use the Pythagoras theorem and finish the problem, sir. Okay?